Babukela bahle be-Dream On TV ndiyanamkela kwakhona igama lami ndinguhamlu ndingo kwambabala. Sikhona ke namhlanje apha emhlabeni waseNtsikeni kumcimbi oyibizwa nge-career exhibition we-UYE, which is Umzimkhulu Youth Empowerment. Today sikuphathele nje amagqaba ntshintshi into yokubana bekusenzeka ntoni kule ndawo, and also we will be hearing from our elders abakhona apha namhlanje kule ndawo ba ithetha ukuthini lo suku lwanamhlanje kubo, and also lento yonke eyenzekayo i-registerisha what on their minds, and also what is the impact of it. And right next to me I'm having the district director, because there is nothing that we can do without education. Ngizocela nje ukuthi ngini-introducele umama wethu simthanda kakhulu Mama Ntombela, which is our district director. Mawam, sicela thina ukwamkela siyi-Dream On TV.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwamkeleka ku-Dream On TV. Thank you very much.
All right ma, siyabona ukuthi uthatha isikhathi sakho, it's a Saturday, mhlambe ngabe upholile nefamily, you are here, ngibuka abantwana bayaphithizela, mhlambe kusho ukuthini kuwe to invest isikhathi sakho ebantwaneni basemzimkhulu?
It means a lot, because noma ngikhona thina education sikhona ngabo. Our vision and everything that we siphilelayo ibona abantwana bethu ukuthi sibone ikusasa labo liqhakazeka. So ingakho ngaso sonke isikhathi esisitholayo esenza short la bekhona kufanele sibe khona kanye nathi.
All right ma, and ngibukile ukuthi you've got this much love for abantwana. I've heard you speaking. Ngicela nje ukwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe yini esingayilindela mangaba kunemicimbi ekanje suke mhlawumbe empowerishwa abantwana lilindele ama outcomes kanjani?
Hey, this program means a lot to us, district yaseHerigwana, because in our minds we want to ensure that zonke ingane zaseHerigwana ezikula grade ezikuwona ziphuma ka grade 12 zine understanding, ziclear ukuthi ziyokwenzani with the world of work. One of the visions of the Department of Education is to empower, is to better the youth for the world of work. So if usihlangene kanje, it to us mabefunda, they will learn bene awareness, be clear ukuthi bafundela ini, so they are going to be motivated extrinsically and bakwazi ukuthi ba-achieve ama goals abo.
All right ma, now we still abantwana bewa-achieve ama goals like you say. Ngicela ukuthi mhlambe yini engayi-expect abantwana bangase bawa-achieve ama goals wabo, mhlambe nina nihalela ukuzibona izimpilo zabo zikanjani, and also expect i-response enjani njengoba ni-planta today, bona ni-expect ukubona ini in the near future?
In future ake ngiqale nje end of the year. UYE usesupportile as a Department of Education. We want to work with other stakeholders. There is a stakeholder participation esiyithola ku-UYE. If ungahlehla ngithi last year besinaye no UYE na that other year. Each and every year sisebenza in partnership, sibona ngama results improve. Uma ngingakhuluma nje ngomzimkhulu ewodwa, I remember ukuthi last year there another program ebeyikhona ka-UYE where sponsor Aquamans besilekelela kwi-meds. Ingane zethu zasemzimkhulu zi-improve performance. As we speak umzimkhulu CMC wona olidayo edistrictini ngama results is sitting on 88.9. Masikhuluma ngomzimkhulu i-highest second ithole above 90, that is 93.7, and the lowest yakhona yathola 84%. It to us there is an impact kule program, because kwesinye isikhathi uyayuthola ukuthi abantwana bayafunda kodwa aba understand kahle ukuthi bazophuma benzeni. So la balethelwe yonke into, bayachazelwa yonke into, bayayibona in action. So uthi eqhubeka nokufunda usedecide ukuthi okay, le career engangithi ngiyayicabanga, indeed ngiyayithanda, and what is it that I must expect, kufanele ngiphase kanjani mangiya kuyona. So to us as education siya deliver ke kuma mandates wethu sawanikwa i-department, especially na ku-NDP, we must try by all means to alleviate poverty in our communities. So sizizwa sijabulile kakhulu. I-impact is very, very much great.
All right ma, ngingamoshanga nje isikhathi esikhulu, because I think when you work very close nabo principal, mhlambe khona principal ababona lokhu waste kwesikhathi, because if you look at isikhathi manje kuyaqala ukubhalwa, but some of the principals babakhululile abantwana bafika bazofunda more about ama careers than studying for ama subjects abawabhalayo manje. Mhlambe nje what advice would you give to principal nge-event enjeni ukukhulula abantwana babo?
Unfortunately la kwi-district I don't think khona principal ongayibuka njenge waste of time, because sine vision eyodwa size saba ne slogan sethu esithi we want to ensure that all our learners are able to pass, which means we are saying 100% here we come. So each and every opportunity esiyithola principal bayibamba ngezandla zombili, bayazi ukuthi mabephuma labantwana bazophuma be motivated. So mhlawumbe makuthiwa kukhona uprincipal ocabanga kanjalo, I'm sure angaba ne change of mind.
All right, masiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela nje usinikezele izwi kubantu abanento yokwenza no education, wonke ama stakeholders athintekayo ku education, ukuthi uthini wena ngenhliziyo yakho kubona namhlanje.
Namhlanje ngifisa ukuthi kuwo wonke ama stakeholders, education is for all of us. Thina njengo education sidinga yonke support esingayithola, because through education we are able to alleviate poverty, we are able to increase economy of the country. So it's very much important to us, and at the same time through education we are able to ensure that ayikho ingane that will loiter around ingazi ukuthi yenzani. Lelu hlelo lenza abantwana babone different opportunities of careers, la bezokwazi ukuthi wonke umuntu afithe, angagcina umntwana efunda into egcineni ajike endleleni engasazi ukuthi uzoyenzani. So all stakeholders sicela bambisane nathi, sinazi izinto ezinye esifunayo, mhlawumbe siyadinga i-support in terms of ukuthi mabehlezi benza ama camps, benza yonke into abayenzayo, communities asondele a provide security.
Right, masiyabonga kakhulu uma uthinta nje into ebaluleke kakhulu ye security nokuthi nje abazali ababa support abantwana, and also nakuma communities, because we believe ukuthi it takes a village ukuthi umntwana akhule ahlondlobale abe yilento isizwe simbone yona. Mawam siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ku-UYE, niqhubeke njalo ni support, we will always be grateful to you.